Whoa! Chmelaeon.com here. We got the Aquagear 8-cup pitcher. This is the greatest water filter ever made, ever. Plus pitcher. Better than Brita, better than Life, better than Zero Water, better than all those guys. I'm going to explain why in this totally comprehensive review. At any time during this review/unboxing, feel free to go to the description below because there is a Amazon link for this water pitcher filter as well as their individual water filters and their entire line of products. Aquagear makes some pretty awesome stuff. They're my go-to company now. And also check out Chmelaeon.com for other water filtration systems. Now, with that being said, let's get straight into it and why I personally bought this thing for the office. So, this is one of the very few water filters that actually advertises that it removes fluoride and a ton of other heavy metals. Also, filter is made in the USA. I dig that. What we remove? Aquagear is tested to remove the following contaminants: chlorine, fluoride, lead, chromium, chromate, mercury, triholamine, arsenic, benzene, thallium, nitrate, and chloroform. Who wants chloroform? No one wants that. No one wants to be chloroformed. And we got some trust the proven leader in tap water filtration, lifetime guarantee, and same-day customer service. Questions that go, Aquagear.com. Love it. Premium design, filter made in the USA. Said that before. It's 100% BPA-Free, 100% FDA-approved food-grade materials, 100% recyclable. And I love how they put this. This plastic bottle is 100% vegan. Okay? 3 times triple capacity filters. That doesn't diminish what this thing actually does. High quality filters produce 150 gallons of water capacity each, lasting 3 times longer than competitors for maximum life savings. Gotta dig that. And by the way, I have the Amazon listing pulled up here. I might edit it into the video, but I am going to mention this. They straight up call out Brita and Zero Water on their Amazon listing, claiming that it lasts 3 times longer than a Brita filter and 4 times longer than Zero Water. And I don't think they make those claims lightly, so I'm going to believe that one. And most of this stuff's identical on the Amazon listing, so I'm just going to keep going. Rigorously tested, independently tested to meet and exceed NSF standards 42 and 53 for contaminant reduction. Aquagear is a Water Quality Association member. I love that, and it's got filter power. Removes over 2,000% more contaminants than the leading brand name filter pitcher, aka Brita, including fluoride, lead, chromium, chromate, mercury. Each Aquagear filter keeps 1,135 water bottles out of landfills. I totally dig that, but I also dig the fact that I have crystal clear water on tap. Also, they have a filter recycling program. So these people are super earth conscious. You just send them your old filters and they help save the world. One filter at a time. And they also help impoverished people. Everyone deserves clean water. Your purchase will provide 6 months of clean drinking water to someone in need. Thank you for being a clean water hero. Your purchase of this filter will provide safe drinking water to someone in need through Aquagear's partnership with Thirst Relief International. Nearly 1 billion people in the developing world still lack access to safe drinking water. With the help of Aquagear, Thirst Relief International is able to provide safe water to these communities. Ounce by ounce, we can save lives with better water. Adam McKibben, Director of Communications, Thirst Relief International. Okay, that's the whole box. Let's actually open this thing. I took off the tape to save time up here. I promise you I did not open this at all. I have not taken this out of the box yet. So here we go. Here's the top. Mom's Choice Award recipient. Aquagear has been named among the best in family-friendly products by the prestigious Mom Choice Awards. Okay, that's pretty neat. Made in the USA, water quality member. We already know that. Let's get to the action. Ooh, this thing is sleek. Whoa! 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 This thing is, wow. That is something else. This thing is so cool that it actually tipped over my tripod. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there. We're going to unbag this thing. Also, while I am unbagging it, I'm just going to start kind of reading off some other things about the filter. I have the filter pulled up. You already know that 3 times longer. Rigorously tested, like, oh, product will offer the freshest. They said they have a lifetime guarantee on their filters, apparently. Alright, I'm just going to rip this open. We're still here, guys. The thing cut out for a second because the video was so long. Anyway, please flush filter before use. See setup instructions. So we're going to open this up. Oh, that's leak. Okay. Pretty neat stuff. Okay. Aquagear filter pitcher setup instructions. Aquagear, it comes in German. Lifetime guarantee. I like that. Still don't know what that exactly entails. But, guys, I don't know if I'm going to go through this whole instruction thing. So the instruction manual is 1, 2, 3, and it's got the part list on top up here. So first you got to flush it, which is attach or hold the flushing assembly to a faucet and run cold water for 2 minutes at low pressure. If water seeps up onto the red cap when flushing, simply lower the water pressure. Tighten. Unscrew the flushing assembly and store in a safe place. Then screw the filter cartridge into the reservoir. Flushing assembly can be used in the future to reflush filter if water flow slows down. I like that. And fill a pitcher from the faucet. And then you got yourself some clean water. And then here's some frequently asked questions. We're not going... Not going through all those. Yeah, we're not doing all that. So basically, flush this out, put it in here, and you are good to go. It's one of the longer reviews we've done at Chmelaeon.com. And it's pretty self-explanatory. Get your Aquagear today. Be sure to use the Amazon link below. This is the best water filter. It's also an Amazon choice product. Not only the pitcher, but the water filters themselves. So check it out. Get one today if you want to have premium quality fuel, which is water going through your body. This is the vehicle to do it. So one more thing. Also, it's got the fill line on the water filter here. You can fill the pitcher as high or as low as you want for best pour. We recommend not going above the fill line in the image below. But I'm going to show you this in their little booklet here on why these impurities that get into your water are horrible and why you should have a filter like this. Here's a list of key contaminants that Aquagear removes from tap water and what the EPA says about potential long-term health effects to you and your family. Fluoride. Long-term exposure to fluoride can cause fluorosis. And according to Google, fluorosis is a chronic condition caused by excessive intake of fluoride compounds marked by the mottling of the teeth and, if severe, calcification of ligaments. Mottle means mark with spots or smears of colors. Lead. Exposure to lead during childhood can hinder physical development and cause learning disabilities. Chromium-6. The ingestion of Chromium-6 may be carcinogenic according to the EPA. THMs. Exposure to THMs can cause miscarriage among expecting mothers. Cadmium. Exposure to cadmium can cause liver damage. Chlorine. Chlorine combines with organic material in tap water to create harmful byproducts like THMs and chloroform. Mercury from agricultural and industrial runoff can cause kidney damage. I know it doesn't say failure, but too much mercury can actually kill you. So here's all the stuff it removes, what it claims, and that is the full, comprehensive review of the best water filter we could find on the marketplace today. It is an Amazon choice product, and be sure to check out the link below and buy one today. This is the fuel that goes into your body and your family's body on a daily basis. You want to have crystal clear agua, H2O, water. Pick one up today. Chmelaeon.com is out. You want to know how fast this thing flows? People, I think, get way too overworked on how fast it flows. It beats standing in front of a fridge filter for 5 minutes to fill your glass when you can just pour a pitcher. It really doesn't matter. I mean, it actually goes pretty quick, but the The idea is that you pour the water in there so it's ready to go whenever you need it. I think it's going pretty quick, though, for how much of a filter it actually is. Okay, Chmelaeon.com is out. Amazon link below. Pick one up today and check out Aquagear's full line of products. I totally recommend this company.